Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the basics certain: iPhone 11 updated and Bluetooth turned on. Put both AirPods in the charged case, open the lid, and hold it within a few inches of the phone. You'll see the pairing animation. Tap Connect right away. Once done, follow the quick on-screen prompts to enable Siri and automatic device switching. Speak clearly to test Siri later. For now, stay focused on the on-screen steps so pairing completes without interruption. If the automatic prompt didn't appear, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select your AirPods from the Devices list. Tap Connect. You can name the pair so it's obvious in Control Center. Once connected, make sure automatic ear detection is enabled so audio pauses when you remove an earbud. Then configure the double tap or press and hold behavior to trigger Siri or play/pause. This saves time when you're on the move. Also check volume. Now test audio. Play music and record a quick voice memo to confirm microphone function. Use Control Center to switch the audio output if you have multiple Apple devices. Once satisfied, practice invoking Siri and using gesture controls so they feel natural. If things go wrong, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair from Bluetooth. That reset clears most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.